Well, hello there. Today I thought I'll talk a little bit about the song called Gambler. The artist was Don Schlitz and it was sung by the late Kenny Rogers. A long time ago, I don't know exactly what year, but I think it was like just the first few years that I got in the United States. He sang that song, so it must be like late 70s probably. Um, the poem is just absolutely beautiful. If you listen to the words, it rhymes well, it means well. It's really a work of art. And the song itself, it's actually changes keys. It starts with E flat and changes over to E, and that's kind of interesting about the song too. E flat is kind of a hard key to play without a capo, but I don't like capos, so I'm gonna try to play it, and I'm gonna do it really slowly, and I'll take a picture of what I have and put it in my Telegram account. So if you want to see the words, and I've written the chords, but they're not right in the right place. You have to kind of find them in the right place because I probably copied from somewhere, and then I found out that they they belong somewhere else. But the sequence is right. It's just that they may not be exactly on the word that you change the chord. So we start like this. Let's go ahead. On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns at staring out the window at the darkness, till boredom overtook us. He began to speak. He said, "Son of made a life out of reading people's faces, knowing what their cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind my saying, I can see you're out of aces for a taste of your whiskey. I'll give you some advice." So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bumped a cigarette, asked me for a line, and the night got deathly quiet. And his face lost all expression. Said, "If you're gonna play, boy, you're gonna play it right. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done." Every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep, 'cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser, and the best that you can hope for is to die in your sleep. And when it finished speaking, he turned back towards the window, crushed out his cigarette, and faced off to sleep. And somewhere in the darkness, the gambler he broke even. But in the final words, I found an ace that I could play. You got to know when to hold, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done. And that's my first crack at it. It's a tough song because mainly because of the E flat key. A little bit tough. Thanks for watching.